Science became more than just a hobby the day I lost my dad to cancer. It was 2 decades ago when he was diagnosed with a blood cancer, and back then there was no real options. Today, thanks to research, that same cancer has better treatments and survival rates are up. And I can't help but wonder if my dad had gotten sick now, will he still be here? That question, that's why I became a scientist. Today I study one of the deadliest cancers still out there, ovarian cancer. And each year, every 19,000 women in the US are diagnosed with this disease. And because it's often caught too late, more than half of these patients will make it past 5 years. This isn't just a statistic. This could be your mom, your sister, your best friend. So how do we fight back? Well, let's start with your immune system. We all have T cells, and T cells are our body's superheroes that can eliminate threats like viruses and, yes, even cancer. But in my lab, we take this a step further. I engineer T cells to better attack cancer by giving them the ability to spot a protein that is expressed or only found in ovarian tumors. It's kind of like giving them a radar, or better yet, giving them a superhero suit like Iron Man's. We make them stronger, faster, smarter. But here's the problem. Ovarian cancer isn't just strong. It also fights back. It's like facing the ultimate villain, like Thanos with all his 6 Infinity Stones. And just like the stones give Thanos extra powers, ovarian cancer has tricks of its own. It can create force field-like barriers that can prevent the T cells from getting into the tumors. It can also release molecules so toxic that will confuse them and shut them down. And that's where my research comes in. I focus on removing the cancer powers and giving it back to the T cells. Kind of like how Iron Man at the end took Thanos' stones and beat him. I specifically modify a receptor in the T cells so when they receive these toxic molecules, instead of shutting down, they stay focused and active. And that's the goal of my thesis, to fight back and actually win. Back then, I couldn't save my dad, but nowadays I work very hard so other families don't experience the same kind of loss. And not to only make T cells stronger, but to change the end game of ovarian cancer by improving survival rates now. Thank you.